In this scripting session, we will explain the Autoloops feature, how it syncs with your DJ software, and show you how to create and customize your own Autoloops. Autoloops is SoundSwitch's backup system. Autoloops will automatically load when you play unscripted songs in your DJ software. Autoloops is similar to lighting scenes and use a timeline-based workflow and are structured musically. Autoloops will automatically sync with the beat grid coming from your DJ software or music performance hardware. Here, we show Autoloops playing in sync with the waveform coming from DJ software. Autoloops work the same whether you use Virtual DJ, Engine Prime, or Serato DJ. As you can see, the beat grid markers, the Autoloops, and the waveforms are all playing in time. When one Autoloop comes to an end, SoundSwitch will automatically launch and sync a second Autoloop, allowing you to focus on your DJ performance. There are a number of Autoloop playback settings, and Autoloops can also be controlled via MIDI. To learn more about controlling Autoloops with MIDI, check out the video in the description below. SoundSwitch comes with 32 pre-built Autoloops, arranged into 4 banks of 8. At the top of each bank is a small switch that allows you to include or exclude an Autoloop bank from the autoplay. Autoloops have 2 playback settings, random or sequential. You can also choose to override scripted tracks and just play Autoloops. If you switch over to the MIDI tab, you can also access these settings, as well as a number of different buttons for controlling how Autoloops are played back, such as next, previous, as well as launch individual Autoloops and banks. In this next section, we will show you how to create Autoloops and customize them by adding color palettes and chase effects. To start creating a new Autoloop, press the plus icon and choose the duration of the Autoloop. Here, I will choose 8 bars. You can rename Autoloops as you like. In this example, I'm just going to call it Autoloop 1. I'll start by making a selection over the first 4 bars of the Autoloop and choosing a color. I'll lift up the intensity and then make a selection over the last 4 bars of the Autoloop and choose a different color. Using the pulse hotkeys, I will press the number 8 on my keyboard, which will give me an 80% pulse, and I will put these on every quarter bar. I will then make a selection and use the copy and paste hotkeys to paste this sequence throughout the rest of the Autoloop. I'll play that back and see how it looks. Now I'll create a second Autoloop. This time I'll make it 16 bars long. I'll select the entire Autoloop and drop and drag one of the preset color palettes. With the entire Autoloop still selected, I will fill the entire Autoloop with an 80% pulse every bar. Now I'll move on to adding a chase effect. I'll drop and drag a preset chase effect onto a group and select the timing. I'll do the same for my second core 3x3 and just check that the pulses have been inserted into the group. Now I'll rename my Autoloop, then switch over to performance mode. For more information on Autoloops and other features in SoundSwitch, head over to soundswitch.com and click on the support section to learn more.